Madagascar's lush forests, Leo, a lively lemur, leaped among the treetops, his tail trailing behind. With his keen eyes and agile movements, Leo explored every corner of his vibrant home, always in search of excitement and adventure. One sunny day, Leo found a grove of ripe fruit while swinging through the trees. Excited, he invited his lemur friends to share in the delicious feast. As the lemurs indulged in the delicious fruit, Leo noticed a group of smaller animals watching from the forest's edge, their eyes filled with hunger and longing. Without hesitation, he gathered some extra fruit and brought it to the hungry creatures, sharing his bounty with those less fortunate. Leo's kindness spread quickly, drawing animals from all over the forest seeking his help and guidance. Despite his playful nature, Leo possessed a heart of gold, and his compassion endeared him to every creature in the forest.